Hi again. Let's say that I wanted to integrate 2x times x plus 1 all to the power of 7 depending on x. If we follow the notes that I have said about integration, this function looks ready and it's a multiplication, not simple multiplication, which means I have to do it by substitution. According to what we said, u here should be what's inside the composite, and if you derive du over dx, you will get 1, which means dx equals du. Now if you go back to your integration, try to replace this, you will get integration of 2x u to the power of 7 times du. What's the problem here? There is nothing to simplify. I have x and I also have u in the integration. So how would I solve this problem? Well, solution is not hard. Actually, if you notice here, this integration depends on u, so everything should be depending on u. What do I have here? We have u equals x plus 1. In other words, I can make it x equals u minus 1 if you solve for x, right? Now just replace every x by u minus 1. What will you get? You will get integration of 2 times u minus 1 times u to the power of 7 dx. What kind of integration is it now? Well, it's a simple multiplication. We can distribute the 2 and u to the power of 7 into this bracket, and you will get, if you distribute 2u to the power of 7 times u, that's 2u to the power of 8, 2u to the power of 7 times negative 1, negative 2u to the power of 7. All of this depends on u. Now it's a simple integration, so immediately this is equal to u to the power of 9 over 9, 2u to the power of 8 over 8 plus c. Simplify and replace, and that's it. U is x plus 1, so x plus 1 to the power of 9 over 9 minus 2 with 8 can be simplified, so x plus 1 to the power of 8 plus c, and that's it.